Sonidos que la letra A puede llegar a ser en inglés. A, as in apple, represented by this symbol. Also found in words like laugh, ask, happy, sad, travel, and back. A, as in snake, represented by this symbol in the International Phonetic Alphabet. Also found in words like made, age, stay, change, same, later, and agent. As in alone, represented by this symbol. Also found in away, accept, amazing, abominable, and atrocious. As in father, represented by this symbol. Also found in words like also, car, smart, and want. As in many, represented by this symbol. Also found in any, anywhere, anything, and sonidos que la letra
conectores en inglés.